Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Hallward. In today's video, I'll be giving you a quick healthy tips on a healthy breakfast. And to make this quick healthy salad, I'll be using two main ingredients which are loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, anti-aging nutrients, which can help to lose weight and also to keep fit. If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Cecilia Hallward YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk a lot about how to make healthy diet, how to make healthy drink, how to make healthy meal, how to do different DIY life hack, beauty hack. Please check out all my videos on my channel. So to make this quick healthy salad, I'll be using two main ingredients. The first ingredient I'll be using is coleslaw. I'll be using coleslaw, then I'll be adding avocado. And also I'll be adding this sausage. You can actually leave this out. This is optional. And I'll be adding a salad cream to garnish this and to make it yummy. So please relax. Let's enjoy today's video together. Here's the avocado. I'll be using one avocado. And here's the sausage I'll be using. This is optional. So I'll drain the water. So now the coleslaw. And these actually come washed. It's already pre-washed. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be garnishing this with the sausage. So here's the sausage. I'll go ahead and cut this. This is just to add a form of protein to my salad. You can see this, coleslaw and sausage. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to add the avocado. So here is my salad. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add a little bit of salad cream. You don't want to add too much. This is done. This here is loaded with a lot of nutrients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties that our body needs. If you want to live healthy, if you want to reduce aging, if you want to increase longevity, try this type of salad very early in the morning. Please like this video and share it with your loved ones. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecilia Hallward. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye for now.